Hi everyone. If you're a banker, CA, or financial analyst, you know how painful preparing credit monitoring analysis, that is CMA reports, dealing with multiple Excel files, calculating growth rates manually, and finding out the balance sheet doesn't even balance at the end. It's a nightmare. Today, I'm showing you a powerful automatic desktop app that automates this entire process, that is CMA Tool. Let's dive into that. Download this tool. I have given a link in the description. You just go to the link, so it will navigate into CA Tech Club, where the multiple tools is available for chartered accountants and other professionals. You can download from this link. Just go to visit website or download. So it will re-navigate into my OneDrive link. So where you can just press this and download. Once it is downloaded, first go to the generate sheet and load the sample data. So it will load automatically all the sample data relating to the company name, years, balance sheet, PAT, everything. Now you need to just press about refresh columns. Okay. Now just go to the company. In the company, you have all the fields such as company name, industry, registered bank name, account number, proposed limit, and constitution, date of incorporation, point of contact, and branch, and what is the existing limit, and nature of facility you are availing the loan, and the purpose of the loan. Once you fill that input details, just go to the next year setup. So here the important stage where you need to fill how many years. Suppose you have a two audited financials years, you need to select two actual years you are going to present, so that based on the last year's data, it's going to estimate the current year as well as predict the next years. So if you're making one provisional years, let's say 24, 25, 23, 24, that will be treated as an audited financials, where you need to give a manual input, figures, everything. Then after 24, 25, that is a current year provisionals you are supposed to give. Then after projections, how many projections, let's say if you have two projections, just enter two. So 27, 28, 9, it is a projections, and 26, 27, it's an estimate. 24, 25, 24, 25, and 25, 26, it's an estimation. So based on this, so actuals means you're supposed to fill, estimated provisionals means it's an automation based on the assumption sheets. Next important form, that is an assumptions. Let's say you have all these fields, let's say net sales, income, raw material, power, fuel. So when compared to 25, 26, how much growth you have kept it here. Let's say I've taken all the 10%, including the share capital and others, everything. So once if you have anything, another data, so you should also provide a rationality why you are giving such type of percentage, so that it will be easy for the bankers to understand that. So you need to record all the percentages. Once it is done, just go to the sheet. This is the existing proposal, that is a form 1, where you need to fill all the existing limits as well as proposed limits. So the client having existing limit is 140 lakhs and term loan is 350 lakhs. Now the proposed is 200 and 350. So fund, non-fund based means it's a LC and BG, and non-fund based proposed 275, 50. Okay. Now next, go to next form. Now see, I've already filled that actual data 24, 25, 25, 26. What is the audited financial statements has come. Based on that, we have kept for 10%, that is 1100. This is also, you can, if you want, you can fill the manually. So projected, how much the projections is coming. Okay, this is also, you can come manually. If you just refresh the columns, going to assumptions, changing the assumption sheets, if you just refresh the column, it will automatically update the refreshes also. Okay. Now just go to next form. See the balance sheet, the actuals you are going to present here. In case if it is any deviation, automatically it will tell no, 25, 26 is matched, to 200 deviation is coming. You just press this 295. So everything is automatically matched. So you only assumptions you have to take care. Then rest of the part, this app will no. Okay. Now get next to 4, that is current assets and current liabilities, how much stock you're going to present, because for this software is required to calculate MPBF. So once you fill this sheet also, you just go to next form 6, that is funds flows, that is what is the PAT and what is the depreciation and how the term liabilities has increased and fixed assets has been decreased, and application forms. So if you just press the refresh columns, it automatically fill. So as from assumptions as well, so auto derive, so it will also auto derive from the all the sheets, existing sheets. Okay, next go to generate. And if you want to save, because if someone has a huge data, so I given a CMA format save button also, where you can save this in CMA format and you can import it, load it from this button. So once if you fill everything, you just press generate CMA report. So I'm just saving this CMA report thing. So just go to this. So I'm just sharing this one into this location. Once the save has happened, just open this. Now open that Excel. Now I just open that Excel. So if you see in that cover page, all you have everything about what you are going to present to the banker. So it would be easy for them to understand to whom the loan is coming. Just click Control P. The printouts also will come. Next to Form 1, how the Form 1 loans has been come, and Form 2, how the Form 2 has been arranged. Let's say we have given actual this, and changes and estimations, projections. So everything it will automatically fill, and it's also tell the how much percentage has been changed when compared with previous year. Balance sheet is also automatically come in case if any changes is happened, how much the changes has happened when compared with the previous years. And Form 4, Form 5, that is working capital and maximum permissible finance is also come. So if you say can here 136, and if you taken here 7 they can eligible, 18 they can eligible, 32 they can eligible. Based on that you can adjust in that our application. So now if you just to the MPBF fund flow statement, the fund flow statement is also automatically will come. Now go to the assumption sheets, all the assumptions is also come here. If you want key ratios, all the key ratios also will come here. So this is what the tool. If you just like the video, if you like this video, please like. And if you if it is useful, if the video is useful for you, please like, share and subscribe. And link was provided